How to turn on or turn off automatically resend as a text, SMS, or MMS in Google Messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up Google Text Messages. Next, we tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Messages Settings. From here, tap on RCS Chats. Then we scroll down and tap on Automatically Resend as a text, SMS or MMS. Tap on the toggle to turn it on. Here, it asks you do you want to cancel or tap on yes. So tap on yes to switch it on. Otherwise, we can tap on it to switch it off. After that, tap on the home button or the back key to go back to your conversation list, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen.